Over the last few years, we've been listening to our customers and understanding that the demand in the market has been growing. To meet that demand, we also see the requirement to invest in not only our people, but in our facility. The expansion and consolidation of our business under one roof is aligned mostly to give us more capacity in manufacturing, which will have a positive effect on lead times to customers and overall quality. This facility provides many advantages to us that were not available previously. But probably the most important is the consolidation of our team under one roof.
We definitely want to invest in people. One of our greatest strengths is the people we do have, and one of our greatest strengths is understanding that there is a right role and a right position for everyone. So we can't do anything if we don't have the right people behind it and really driving these things.